Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to speed up video in Edit's Instagram app. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. So first, let's create a new project. Click on the plus sign in the lower right corner, select any video and click the check mark in the upper right corner. The video has been added to the project, and to speed it up, tap on it. The video clip is highlighted in yellow, and there are new video editing buttons at the bottom. Now the video clip is not sped up and its duration is about 16 seconds, which is clearly visible above the playback cursor and on the video itself. If we need to speed up the entire video, we simply press the speed button and then drag the slider point to the right, thereby speeding up the video. And out of the 16 seconds of the video, the clip now lasts 2. As you can see, we can speed up the video tenfold. Next, tap on the check mark on the right, confirming the current setting, and that's it. If we need to speed up a certain part of the video, we first use the split button and cut out the required part of the video. For example, let's cut out a part of the video from the 6th second to the 10th. So we've divided the video into 3 parts. We select the part that needs to be sped up, press the speed button, and use the slider to speed up this fragment. That's all. Now we know to more.